Hi guys, welcome to this video about how you can contact the Shopify support the easiest way if you have questions, let's say setting up a new shop, or if you have already a shop and want to contact the support to answer a question which you have been struggling a little bit with that. So I thought maybe other people have the same problem. And this is how you do that. You are on shopify.com main page, you go down, all the way down, and here we have the contact information thing, and we get then to a page where it says, got a question about using Shopify. The Shopify support team is available 24/7 by email, live chat and phone. And then we click on talk, and there is no such thing as talk. There's just a silly form which they use to get rid of questions of silly people, something like that. So anyway, we keep going. Let's move that away. We keep going, and let's say we are looking for payment options in the store. Okay, and then we click on get help, and still a little bit confusing, but if we go down we find this. There is the Ask Shopify community, or there is the Get Help from Shopify support team, and that's the thing what we actually like. We have an option to chat or email or even talk on the phone or use Twitter. I was already using Twitter and it worked quite good. So it's not like a live chat where you get answers within seconds. This is more within minutes, or let's say after 20 minutes, half an hour, something like that, based on my experience. Email probably a little bit slower, phone if you need fast answer, and probably chat as well. Of course, you will have to specify what your needs are and then click on chat, and I guess the chat will open then. I haven't tried that. I have only tried the Twitter, and Twitter worked really good, so they were really helpful. I can really recommend, but it takes a little bit longer time. Probably if you're really in a rush, you need fast answers, then chat or phone or the options which you like. So that's it for now. I hope I was able to help you a little bit with that. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.